Welcome to the moon. Robots now fight humans' battles for them. They call it the Crater Project, or Combative Robotic Answer to Earth Rivalry. And these battles all take place in this massive arena. I've been told it's similar to what humans call sports. And they use water for ammunition, because it's ecologically friendly and it causes harmless robot rust. Honestly, I think it's because it's cheap. And how do I know all this? Because my name's Blip. I'm a battle bot, and you can fight my robot bolts. Take that, and that, and that. Man, this game is way too easy.
Quit your grandstanding and pay attention.
See? Way too easy.
Blip, you flag hog!
Sorry, dude!
Blip, the greatest battle bot in Crater history.
Hello! How about a little teamwork for a change?
Tiger Jackson!
Blip, over here! Throw the flag! I'm in the clear!
I can do it. I can do it.
What are you doing, you lugnut? I'm in the clear! Throw the flag!
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can...
Booyah! Busted!
Thanks for playing Tiger Jackson Brawl, losers. Buy my stuff.
Bolts! Stop playing games and get back to work. You may be as useless as a waffle iron in a swimming pool, but you are an oil boy on this team.
Good one, sir.
So get out there and oil!
Yes, sir, General Gridiron, sir!
Careful of your hydraulic pressure, sir.
Come on, Bolts. Let's get another game going.
I believe Citybot Blip is not doing his job either, sir.
Dude! Hello?
Blip, you are the team scorekeeper, are you not?
Yes, sir.
Get back to work!
Right away, sir. I'm a lowly button pusher, and yes, it stinks.
Out there! Back me up! Give me the remote!
Right. Which should I do first? Back you up or give you the remote? Will you just give it to me? I've got an old processor. I need an order of operation. I'll take that rust bucket.
The winner is the Galaxy All-Stars! And of course, the last place Thunderbolts suffer a humiliating defeat yet again. Sorry, Thunderbolts.
The battle bots! Good battle, guys. High five! High five! High five!
Out of the way, silly bots.
At least they aren't ignoring us, right?
Oh, it's so lame being a Civibot in this game. Only BattleBots get the respect.
I was a BattleBot once. It's so overrated.
I've known you since you left the factory. When were you a BattleBot?
Hello? The team is the Thunderbolts? My name is Bolts? They named it after me? Bolts?
So they named it after you 20 years before you were built.
They were planning ahead.
Really?
Really?
What was your rank?
Super.
Super.
Super... awesome.
Super awesome. Hey, talking about super awesome, check it out.
Ah! My eyes! What is that?
It's a Thunderbolts jersey I made. See, my name's on the back.
Hey!
Wow, the Tiger Jackson. I'm your biggest fan. You're my hero.
I thought the guy who invented bubble grease gum was your hero.
Hey, thanks, Buckethead.
So shiny.
Maybe one day you'll never be a BattleBot. Remember, Buckethead, follow your dreams. Wait, robots, don't dream.
How cool was that?
As cool as burning lava? You realize he's on an opposing team, right?
Well, if we get on the Thunderbolts attack squad, I'll take it on.
Like that's gonna happen. Remember the last time we tried to make the team?
How many times have I told you? Civibots cannot be BattleBots! Can't. It happened again, didn't it?
I was born to be a BattleBot. I just know it. But now it looks like I'll never get the chance.
Will the Thunderbolts BattleBots report to Coach Gridiron immediately? He has some super bad news for you losers. Thank you! For nothing!
Super bad news!
All right, you dishwashers. It's no secret that with 0 victories, the Thunderbolts are in last place. So I have no choice but to have some of you reformatted. Go! The following bots step forward. Flag off 12. Scrap metal XL7.
Well, should have seen this coming.
And Thunderboard. Me?
Don't worry. We'll get you next time.
Well, man, you had a good run. Reformatter!
A TV? Well, at least I'm high def.
And now, the new captain of the Thunderbolts. A prototype straight from a test run in Las Vegas. Say hello to Sadie!
Wow. What wow? What are we wowing? Why did you wow?
All right, Thunderbolts. Though I am a prototype, I fully intend to lead this team to victory. So let's see some Thunderbolt pride!
She's so beautiful.
Excuse me.
And buggy.
This is it, hot boys and girly. We've got a new battle.
We better get to our stations.
Yep. Blip and Bolts prepare for battle.
Welcome to Tiger Jackson Brawl. Please input names.
Blip and Bolts.
Hey, Team Butt, we're short 2 players. Get that bot list from Earth and find me a pair of subs.
Right away, sir!
Now!
Thank you for transferring player data to recruit list.
What?
You have been selected for combat.
Nice try. Hey, not bad. Pew, pew, pew!
Hey, Bolts, check it out! We're BattleBots! And you think we're ready for it?
Why wouldn't we be? High five!
And those guys were on our team.
Hurry up, guys. We're gonna miss the game.
Hello, everyone! It's another beautiful climate-controlled day here at the Crater Dome. Over to you, Locke. That's right, and we're gearing up for a fantastic battle between the first-place Galaxy All-Stars
Look, it's the Thunderbolts. Do you think they're ever gonna win a game?
and the last place and laughable, I might add, Thunderbolts. For the prize of who gets the last cookie. Locke? And now, please rise for Crater City's binary national anthem.
Lady, check. Welder, check. Worthless scorekeeper. What?
Howdy, Mr. Coach, sir.
Fancy seeing us here. Huh?
Back to your stations, rust monkeys. You're not fit to hose down a soldier's back at.
You see, it's like this, sir. We were kidnapped by masked aliens, and I said, please don't take me. I've got a job to do.
We're on the official list, sir.
What? Civibots can't be BattleBots. Give me that.
Dude, do you think this BattleBots thing is a good idea? We're gonna get bashed.
Would you rather be bashed or be a grease-sopping oil boy? This is what we've always wanted.
Can't be. You are on this list. And as much as it pains my old iron ball bearings, there is no arguing with Earth Command. But if you screw up, you will be reformatted as seat warmers in the executive oil change don't. Is that clear?
The executive oil change has seat warmers?
Cool.
And now the teams take to the field for the pre-game socket shake.
Hey, Sadie. Nice to meet you. I'm Blip.
You know, Blip, I've got a good feeling about you, so don't mess it up.
Hey, Sadie, I was thinking, what do you say after the brawl we grab a cup of oil?
Tiger Jackson! Ah! You're even shinier in person. Shiny, shiny.
Yep, I'm shiny, all right. Sadie, what do you say? After the brawl, we grab a cup of oil.
Tiger Jackson, so shiny. Remember that time they ruined my shirt? You're the best, Mr. Jackson. Did you know that I almost beat you in Tiger Jackson brawl?
Possible, Buckethead. It's programmed so I don't lose. And Miss Sadie, see you after the loss.
He's so cool.
He's so hot.
Nope. No conflict of interest here.
Pay attention! Ratch 8. You will attack their retrievers while Zack 7 plays cleanup. I'll work on building our offensive attack. Blip, Bolt, and Welder, you cover Tiger. He's going to be all over.
So shiny.
I wasn't exactly finished.
Ready?
Bring it on, all stars.
And the All-Stars have scored the first cookie.
It's gonna be a long game.
Are you sure you boys understand the plan here?
No problem. I've played this game thousands of times. Well, sorta.
Bolts?
Great, we're doomed.
Don't fret it. We're teammates. I can print out the plan for you. Want me to print out the plan for you? I think we should print out the plan for you.
Still doomed.
And the All-Stars take a huge lead.
That's it. Time for Blip to turn up the awesome knob.
Don't be a glory hog, son.
Is he always like this?
Yep, pretty much.
Who's awesome? Who's awesome? I'm awesome. I'm awesome.
Hey, fanboy, you got a cookie for me?
Here you go.
Thanks.
Here's a Tiger Jackson doll.
Buy my stuff, punk. Roar.
check out this Tiger Jackson doll.
Oh, Tiger. You were supposed to stop him. Whose team are you on?
I tried, but that's the Tiger Jackson. He's so cool and shiny. Shiny cool. Oh, that is so cool and shiny. That is so cool and shiny.
Doomed, doomed, doomed.
The crowd is doing the wave! Now they're doing the sine minus tangent over cosine wave!
Thunderbolts? More like thunderbolts! What are you screwballs doing out there? You better pull yourselves together or you'll all be reformatted!
He's serious, you know.
We really are doomed. Beating the All-Stars is impossible.
Come on, guys. We can do this. Earlier today, it was impossible for a Civibot to be a BattleBot. But here we are, on the team.
Yeah, thanks for that.
Welder, you have more experience than anybody. You just gotta stop second-guessing yourself. Bolt, you have more energy than anyone. You just gotta focus it. And Sadie, you're really hot. And yes, you're buggy. But you just have to turn those negatives into positives. Look, underneath the chrome, the All-Stars are nuts and bolts like you. You all just need to pull yourselves together. That's it. What? Okay, and I gotta quit being such a glory hog. We just all gotta start playing as a team, like a well-oiled machine. We just need some determination and a little luck. That's all. I love you, Whippy. Well, I love you too. Look, who said that? All it takes is teamwork.
You're gonna rust in pieces.
And we're back. Can the T-Bolts pull this one off, Locke? I don't think so either.
Booyah!
Are they cheering for us?
We still on for some oil after your defeat, sweet gears?
How about right now, Sparky?
Hey!
This is it, folks! The last play of the game!
Blip, I'm open!
I can do it! I can do it!
Hey, #1 fan, how's it hanging? How about you give me the cookie and we can be best pals?
Blip, come on! I'm open!
Come on, Buckethead. I thought you were my #1 fan.
Blip!
Welcome to the Blip Fan Club, Tiger.
lose.
They're cheering for us. Why is the crowd cheering for them? We won! We won! We won, we won, we won, we won!
Unbelievable! The Thunderbolts lost, but what a comeback! Thunderbolts rule! Locke, your thoughts? What a game! I can't believe that!
We won, we won, we won, we won!
Great teamwork, BattleBot.
Yeah, we did it! Good job! Let's have cake! We lost! Everything's ones and zeros in this world, and you guys are zeros! I should have all of you reformatted. You.
Sir, be on engage. This is your fault, you know. I am watching you. Don't think you can fool me, you civvy bots.
That one him, didn't it?
Nice catch, Spaz.
Nice throw, Glory Hound.
Hey, Sadie, what do you say we grab some oil?
How about right now, Sparky? Oops!
Welcome to the Thunderbolts, fellas!
Thanks.